Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 3rd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla up a little bit, up 0.33 cents, $0.33. 33 cents. That's 0.15%, closed at 215.31. Post market, we are down by 37 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. Yes, we are definitely outside of this upward channel like we thought so yesterday. And we are basically continuing down. Yes, we are up a little bit, but we made a lower high, we made a lower low, and our destination is 205.16. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, yeah, this was an interesting day today. So we opened quite low. We opened at 211, then had a big move up. And then second hour, we also moved as high as 221, but without a good stochastic. So this did not last. So we came down and pretty much went sideways from that point on. We tried again 217.67 during the last hour, but then we came back down. No stochastic on the 1 hour chart. So nothing, this stock has nothing in it. It has nothing in it. There is a support right here, and this is where we stop. But we are definitely into this downward channel right here. So we might be holding on to that level maybe another day. And then there's going to be the tests. And if we fail the test, we are going to do something like this. So let's go look at the daily chart. Let's look at the daily chart. So on the daily chart, stochastic at 36, RSI at 38. MACD still crossed over bullish. So eventually it should cut back up because we have these two moving averages for MACD, the 12 and the 26 day. We have those two moving averages that are still positive. This is the only bullish indication from our indicators. Everything else is pretty much bearish. Let's Tesla drop a little bit more. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.